Hey guys, my name is Betchoy and welcome to another episode of Plant of the Day. So for today's episode guys, actually we'll be talking about 3 different plants. So it would be called Plants of the Day. So pinakauna, number 1 on our list is our variegated black cardinal. The classic variegated black cardinal or yung tinatawag natin na cardinal number 2 or tone number 2. So ito yung unang lumabas guys, yung ating black cardinal with the brown type or close to red type ng mga variegation. So kung makikita po natin, yan, kitang-kita talaga yung kanyang pagka-black cardinal. Even with the growth pattern natin dito, it should have the crowning type of growth pattern. And then, yan, yung kanyang pinaka-distinct naman ay ang pagkakaroon ng medyo color brown. And then, kapag maganda naman yung humidity natin, guys, ay mapapalabas natin yung may pagka-reddish brown then na type of variegation for our black cardinal. So, next ating list of cardinals for today, guys. This is our orange cardinal with pink mutation. Ayan. Relatively new siya, guys, kasi yung orange cardinal hindi siya ganon ka-trendy, hindi siya ganon ka-sikat or popular as compared with the black cardinal. For this one, this is our orange cardinal. So kung manonotice natin guys, yan, especially with the newest leaf natin, dyan talaga makikita yung kanyang pagiging orange. And then this one has the pink mint na variegation or yung kanyang pink mint mutation na variegation. So mas ma-appreciate natin yung kanyang pink mint na mga variegations guys dito sa ating nag-mature na ng mga dahon. So yan, makikita natin. And it has the type of variegations na hindi siya yung splash or hindi siya yung mostly sectoral. Kaya natin siya tinatawag na pink mint mutation kasi yung kanyang type of variegation is on the minty side siya. And one of the characteristics din pala ng ating mga cardinals which we can really observe in most of the cardinals natin ay kung variegated man siya guys, hindi natin siya kaagad makikita sa newly unfurled na mga dahon. Same as this one. Kasi parang orange lang yung kanyang lumalabas na color, but then later on as the leaves mature, yan, mas magiging distinct, makikita na natin kaagad yung kanyang mga variegations. And third natin na cardinal for today guys, is definitely not the least guys. This is our black cardinal, variegated black cardinal number 1. So ito yung top tier sa lahat ng mga black cardinals. Ito yung pinaka-andun talaga sa tuktok when we talk about variegated na mga black cardinals. So notice guys kung gaano kaganda, kung gaano ka-distinct yung kanyang type of variegations as compared with the regular black cardinal natin or yung ating classic black cardinal number 2. This one has that very striking na type of variegation guys. And then what's really attractive dito guys is yung ating mga new leaves. Yan, makikita natin na pink, almost pink, reddish pink yung kanyang type of variegations. And then later on, yan, magkakaroon din yan ng transition to color orange or medyo bronze or may pagka-brown. So, ganyan kaganda yung type of variegations dito sa ating variegated black cardinal number 1. Which, by the way, is even up to now, guys, still on the pricey side. It's still considered as plant unicorn when we talk about cardinals, sa ating mga black cardinals. And the reason to that guys, kasi si black cardinal number 1 actually prima donna talaga siya in terms of plant care, in terms of propagation, especially kapag nakuha nyo ay galing pa abroad and then pagdating dito sa Pilipinas ay magkakaroon talaga tayo ng mga challenges na ma-come across in taking care of this kasi sobrang sensitive niya. And then in terms of propagation then hindi din siya ganun kadaling i-propagate na ikakat mo lang siya and then diretso-diretso na yung kanyang pag-produce ng mga babies or yung pag-develop ng ating mga top cut. I think it's also the reason kung bakit even up to now guys, it's still on the pricey side kasi hindi talaga siya ganun kadaling alagaan at hindi siya ganun kadaling i-propagate. So for this black cardinal number 1 natin guys, actually na-sold na natin ito sa ating live selling for the price of 200,000 pesos. So that would be it guys and I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video.